So guys, here you can see it. One more video has been came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3010 by the name of divide an array into sub arrays with minimum cost 1. Okay, so we are solving this question in today's video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to press all the notification bell also. So whenever I upload my new video, so the notification will come on your YouTube. Okay, and in today's video, in today's question, I mean, there are the three examples are included, and both of the three examples have explanation also, and I also give you the explanation. And by the way, we are solving this easy one question in today's video. In today's video, there is a 4 topics are included by the name of array, sorting, enumeration, and B weekly contest 132. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video. So let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. Like you all people know, from starting I am solving all question in Python 3. Okay, but anyways, let's move to the computer screen. Let's try to solve today's question. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing game. So guys, here you can see it, one more game on the LeetCode Camp channel. In today's video, we are solving our question number 3010. Which question? 3010. By the name of divide an array into sub arrays with minimum cost 1. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So first of all, we read a question carefully. So we will solve this type of question. Okay, it is given me an array of integers nums of length n, means that in today's video here it has given me an array of integers nums of length n. Number 2, the cost of an array is the value of its first element. For example, the cost of 1, 2, 3 is 1, while the cost of 3, 4, 1 is 3. You need to divide nums into 3 disjoint contiguous sub arrays. Okay, so there is a sub arrays. Okay, we want to return the, what is our task in today's question? Our task is we want to return the minimum possible sum of the cost of these sub arrays. Okay, so example 1. So in the example 1, here he get a one integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in down 4 numbers 1, 2, 3 and 12, and the output has been coming 6. So you are thinking the number is 1, 2, 3, 12, and why? What is the logic behind it? Why is the output has been coming 6? Let me tell you. So the best possible way to form 3 sub arrays is 1, 2 and 3, 4 at a total cost of 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6. Now the other possible ways is to form 3 sub arrays are 1, 2, 3 and 12 at a total cost of 1 plus 2 plus 12 is equals to 50, and 1, 2, 3 and 12 at the total cost of 1 plus 3 plus 12 is equals to 16. So that's why the output has been coming 6. So let's move on to the second example. So here he get a one integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in down 3 numbers 5, 4 and 3, and the output has been coming 12. So you are thinking, what it mean? Why the output has been coming 12? What is the logic behind it? So let me tell you. The best possible way to form 3 sub arrays is 5, 4 and 3 at a total cost of 5 plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 12. Then it can be shown that 12 is the minimum cost achievable. Number 3, integer array, here you get a one by the name of nums, in which he wrote it down 10, comma, 3, 1 and 1. So the upper enemy coming 12. So I think this third one is little bit easier because the logic is making means 10, 3, 1, 1. So the logic is making the output will become 12. But in these first two examples, there is not the logic has been making. But I hope you understand because behind of it there is a DSA. So DSA can do anything. Okay. So I hope you are understanding. So the operator will coming 12 because the best possible way to form three sub-arrays is 10, comma 3, 1 and 1 and the total cost of 10 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 12. It can be shown that the 12 is the minimum cost achievable and there are the two constraints it has been given me. So I hope you understand the question carefully. So let's start to solve this question in LeetCode website. So let's start. So let's come on it here, let's come on it here, and there is a 4 topics are included like I have told you. So let's start to solve it in Python 3. We are solving it. So here we will be right here class solution def minimum cost self comma and then b, and then we define a this semicolon at the end. Okay, n equals to length. We found the length of our v, s equals to v, in which we define in the square bracket 0 v square 1 semicolon n, which we sorted with v 1 semicolon n, s equals to s plus v 1 plus v 2, and then what we want to do in the last, we want to return s, and we also wrote some more codes. Define class of solution, and you are thinking from the previous videos I am defining comment like this. Okay, so I am doing actually I am I started the Android development. So in the Android development in Android Studio we define comment like this, so I am addicted to it. Okay, so that's why I forgot how in Python the comment has been defined, what is the starting tag is, so that's why. Okay, so now define here, we define a class of a solution first and then n variable, s variable, not variable because it is only one, and b variable. Perfect. So let's see the running code now. The even question we solve. So let's see the first of all question. Okay. There's a very few lines of code because the question is easy one. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now running code has been accepted, and the case 1, case 2, case 3 both are accepted. In both, in all these 3 cases the output enemy coming same which they want. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission is very much important. So my submission is also be perfect, and I beat total 18% people. So now let's post the solution. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of new tutorials which is coming. Okay, and you can also be see my profile of LeetCode Camp. Here it is my profile, and my rank is 2,54,000. Okay, so I'm thinking I come on the rank top 1. So I'm thinking I will become as soon because I'm solving question daily, or now I'm thinking I solve daily questions too. Three questions I will be solved daily, one on the video and 2 is behind the scene. Okay, behind I will be solving without any face camera, without any uploading a video. Okay, so I'm thinking I come on to the rank top 1 because total I solved 402 questions and I want to solve more questions. Okay, because I want to come on to the rank top 1 or top 3. Okay, so please you can also be see my Rayyan profile because I am solving the LeetCode camp questions total for, let's say, playlist. In playlist there is my all the videos, so I'm solving questions of LeetCode camp from 1 year, I think. Okay, there's 1 year I am solving all my LeetCode camp questions. No, 9 months. Okay, there is 9 months. From 9 months I'm solving LeetCode camp questions. Okay, so it is a very big achievement. So anyways, let's meet you in the next very amazing video like this, because I we solve it the question. And if you enjoy, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the all icon, bell icon, so whenever I upload any new video, so the notification will come on to your YouTube. So but anyways, let's meet you in the next video and next very amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.